How to reduce CPU temperature. The first things first is go to your Windows icon right here and then type in edit, edit power plan and then hit enter. Now from here, all you have to do is change advanced power settings. Click on it. Now there will be a pop-up um, window right here. Just scroll down a bit and then go to processor power management. Double click on that and then go down to maximum processor state. Now as what you can see, I have two options right here because I'm using my laptop and it's currently plugged in to the power outlet. So it's default as 100% and then you can change it to either 80 or 90% on battery and then let's say for example around 80 to 90% as well on plugged in. So this is the best method on how you can save CPU temperature from your computer or laptop.